to do some videos of this beautiful latch hook, I think is what it's called. And like this one has a little fur on it. There, look at that. Look at these are beautiful. I might even buy one, something like this. Very nice. This is what they taught the locals to do for crafts, and they could make money by selling these things then. Okay, and there's one out here. I think they have a little thing here where they would show you that how they were working on it there. Because I had a latch hook kit one time at home. I don't think I ever finished it. But yeah, and you got some moccasins and gloves. Boy, they're beautiful. Beautiful in there. Well, here's another loom in the little museum here. And yeah, here's all loom here and everything. Yeah, different artifacts. Something about the physician's window. 3 Washington Cathedral. Oh, Wilbur Boston. Flanked by here's Christ, Louis Pasteur, which is probably that guy over there, and Wilfred Grenfell right up here. And this is in the Washington Cathedral. Here, this is a replica of it here. Wow, pretty neat. Look at that. All right. There's Phil Grenfell. We got a little reflection here, but yeah. Here we have some of Dr. Grendel's instruments from days of old. They still look pretty good. Very good quality here, looks like. Yeah, look at that. All of them here. Look they are. There's the old doc up there working on somebody, giving him a little bit of ether, giving anesthetic to a patient on the kitchen table. Really, you gotta operate where you can. A little, kind of like the old style autoclave, I guess, to sterilize instruments there. All right. Here's some replicas of the buildings up in Battle Harbor. I don't know if we walked by some of these buildings. I think we did. I remember seeing that on the side of the buildings up there. Or maybe it was a photo, but I thought it was the buildings. Anyhow, yeah, we got some replicas here. I don't know what this is. It looks like an old movie projector here. You hand crank that bad boy. And this is the Strathcona 3. I don't know if that's this ship or not. I don't think the ladder is part of the artifacts, but Francis said, let's press this and see what happens.
On that day, we steamed west along the Canadian Labrador for Hamilton.
This is the Strathcona.
Strathcona was admirably fitted for its purpose. Amidships below was a small hospital for carrying the serious or sick. Adjoining was the sick bay where lines of fishermen gathered for treatment. On the deck was all manner of cargo, up forward the wheelhouse and the chart room. The Strathcona was a fascinating workshop of a man who at every turn was making his life count. He was emphatically a man of action.
Oh, this is like a diorama in the picture up there. St. Anthony, circa 1930. A little hard to see. I can't get any closer. But I think this is a diorama here of that picture. But there's a lot of reflection here, so I'll try to come over here. Yeah, too much reflection on the lights. And there was the hospital, I believe, over there. I think. I don't know. 1930s, they still have some good buildings here. What is number 30? That's the 1927 hospital. Is this one right there, the 1927 hospital. And this other one down here is this one here that you see right there is the orphanage. This is circa 1930, so they still had, you know, a pretty nice setup here on the island. Very nice. Oh, here's some more. Oh, for dyeing or tinting. Look at this. Oh, glass there. Can't touch it, of course. All right. Some more artifacts here. Look at that shirt, the jacket, the embroidery. Really nice. Even this, like a quilt or a rug or something. Yeah, it looks like Dr. Grindle up there, a little doll that they made of him. All the whalebone stuff here. Zagsaw jigsaw puzzle. Yeah. We got a little jacket here, a Grenfell jacket. This jacket reputedly made from the first batch of Grenfell cloth that they made up here. That looks good quality cloth there, heavy duty. Keep you warm and everything. Oh, these are beautiful here. No label, and I guess these are ones you can buy in the store that are made here. So look at that little furry top. You need that up here to keep warm. Oh, here's one here. Maybe you can try it on here. Yeah. Look at this here. Yeah, I'm pointing the camera away while I'm looking at this here. Look at the inside of it. Very nice here. What do we got on the back? Is plain. Ah, it's beautiful soft fur on the top. Very nice here. Look at that. Look at that embroidery on the sleeve. Very nice there. I think that's a lady's jacket. This is from the old days when you wanted to dive underwater. Had to get that big contraption on there. And weights and all that stuff there. Here's a boat just being constructed, I guess, here. I don't know. Yeah, this is a dry dock, a replica of the dock house and haul up cradle in St. Anthony, which is where we're here in St. Anthony. It was made. Oh, look at how much work this person made to make this replica. And there's the picture of it, of what it looks like there, working dry dock. The men were the best self-made mechanics I ever saw. Well, you gotta be up here. Look at this guy here. Had to go underwater in this old diving bell suit there. Look at that. Come back here. Guys working on that? Yeah. Yes, indeed. All right. Got a little plaque. Oh, Grenfell got a stamp, and rightfully so. Here's on a $1 note too. Somebody signed it. I don't know if that was Grenfell or not. Oh, we're walking up to Dr. Grenfell's old house. Up here, walking up a little bit of a hill, and we're going to go inside. Check it out here. All right. Dr. Grenfell's house. Look at that bearskin rug on there. Wow. Look at this guy. We're going to get down close to him here. Look at his teeth in there. Yeah. There he is. He's down there. Yep. The old polar bear there. I have to get up now. Okay. Right by the fireplace here. You got your tusk from, I guess, walruses or different other things. You got a little ship's compass here, balanced on a gyroscope. This is used by Dr. Grenfell. This looks like a little office that he had in here, the old roll top desk. And his Grenfell, that he's a fellow. Yeah, all kind of stuff. Another fireplace in here to keep warm. Well, you needed that here. You know, so he's got his old sealskin boots over there. Yeah, very nice in here, very nice. Some kind of cloth wallpaper or something on there. I don't know. And we got, this must be modern here with the radiators. I can't believe they had that then, but you never know. And he got all his outdoor stuff, like a ante-room here to take your clothes off here, I guess, and do his scales to weigh stuff for the whatever, hang your jacket up. You got your washroom here, your little storage area. You got some apricots, Thai food tea.
You know, if you walk into any room in a Grenfell house,
Aladdin locks on chimney. I don't know what that is.
it's the sock
Well, 20s.
Right. He was a fine American guy, Dr. Grenfell.
This looks like a dining room. They got fabric covered walls. I don't know if this is original or not. It looks in pretty decent shape, so that might be a little refurbishment. I don't know, but nice. Not too much room on that chair over there, but yeah. Okay. This is the everyday dinnerware. Some photographs up there by the Grenfells. those are in possession of the Grenfell family. So these are a little bit different down here. These are not what the family actually used here. So yeah, and here's that rug again. Like I said, oh, there's a little seal there down there. Looking right at us here. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Yeah, taking a little look at us here. Fireplace here. Yeah, look at that. All right, we're up on the second floor. The old Wright brothers there, Kitty Hawk. I gave him a photo there. Orville signed it too. Yeah, look at that. 1913, Harvard Medical School. Yeah, this must be for the modern radiator system we have up there. Oh, here we got bedrooms here. Another floor, but that's roped off. Can't go up there. But yeah, you can tell the heat's on in here. It's warm. This must be the kids' room. You got little playthings, a little potty down there in case you got to get little shoes. Nice looking shoes. Yeah. We got another big bedroom in here. More of your sealskin boots. Table. Big bed. His and hers towels. One for the baby when they had a little baby to keep it close to them. Your wardrobe. Nice window view outside overlooking everything there. Kane, he's got his Panama hat here. His jacket and vest, which you needed. Yeah, look at this. Very interesting here. Okay. Alright, we're going to come out here and go back in the hallway here and have another room. Oh, another big one here. This is a big one. I don't know. This is for the other kids. Looks like a adult dress there. I don't know if there was a sign. Maybe I missed it out there. What do you call it? A bed pot, or I don't know, in case you had to go during the night. Your hot water bottle, which I guess you needed there. A little foxy thing there to wrap around you to keep warm. Everything was keeping warm. And the old glass there, the original glass that has all the little waves, imperfections in it, not perfectly flat. So yeah, another rug. This one might be a bear, I don't know, regular bear. Yeah, looks a good size there. So yeah, this is one of his ties there. Come back here for washing up. And we got, I haven't seen any real bathrooms. I guess they're outside maybe. So a little washing up room here. Your hair clippers, you need a haircut. Just do a little chip chop with those. Got your bathtub. Oh, there's the toilet. So maybe, I don't know if this is new from New Days or whatnot, but whether they had the real running water back then. He said there was a creek or something up above they used to get water from down here. So, I don't know, but good sized bathtub. Sink. I don't think this is original here. Yeah. You got your bog rolls there and whatever. So, okay. Another big room here. I don't know what this one was. Could have been a guest bedroom or something at one time. Maybe these were the things from the old silk stockings. I still don't understand that, how they could get colors from the old silk stockings. Did they dye them, or? I don't understand that. These rugs are seconds and were used as samples. Not too bad for seconds. Where's the ones that were made from the silk stockings? Or the round stockings or whatever? I don't know. More down here. Okay. We got more up on the wall here. Now this may be from silk stockings. No, it feels like, I don't know. They said that Americans donated all their silk stockings, which are really rayon or something, and the natives up here took them and started making the rugs out of them. But I don't see any of those here. I'll have to ask her and see where they are. And see what the dealio is on that. Oh, you got the kitchen here. You got your stove, your oven, you got a loaf of bread up there, chimney going up, the old-time toaster up there, I think. Yeah, this is where all the food happened here. I think that's more of a modern type sink there. But, all your china, making little rolls and stuff here. Yeah, okay. Oh, another room in here. Maybe this is, I don't know, thing for getting fibers for making yarn, maybe down at the bottom there. A spinning wheel got to go round. Anyhow, where you make your own yarn. Okay, another room here. Yeah, a tree growing out in back and a deck. But look at this wood carving. This carving was given to Lewis Brown in his retirement. Ah, yeah, that's a beautiful piece of wood there, that's for sure. That wood carving to Dr. Brown. Okay, another spinning wheel. Made your own yarn here. Okay.